Today we are studying fingerprint region in infrared spectroscopy. The infrared region from 4000 to 650 cm inverse is the most important for the study of an organic compound. Since infrared spectra contain a large number of bands, the possibility that two different compounds will have the same infrared spectrum is exceedingly small. For this reason, an infrared spectrum has been called the fingerprint of a molecule. Thus, if two pure samples give different infrared spectra, the compound must be different. If they give the superimposable spectra, then they represent the same compound. The region from 4000 to 1500 cm inverse, that is high frequency part to the left in an infrared spectrum, is useful for the identification of functional group. This region shows absorption arising from stretching modes. The region to the right from 1500 to 600 cm inverse is usually complex since both stretching and bending modes give rise to absorption here. Each organic compound has its own unique absorption pattern in the fingerprint region. Stretching vibrations require higher energy and occur at high frequency, whereas bending vibrations require lower energy and occurs at lower frequency. The pattern in the high frequency region must completely match for two spectra to represent the same compound. For example, a complete superimposability of the infrared spectra of two samples of the crystalline alcohol menthol isolated from two different sources. Now take infrared spectrum of thymol, another crystalline naturally occurring compound, shows a completely different pattern in the fingerprint region when compared to the pattern displayed by the menthol. Both the compound contain OH as their functional group. Even then, the shape of the pattern in the high frequency part of the spectrum are also different. Carefully observe these two spectra as well as the structure of two compounds. You will see that both contain same functional group, that is OH, and other groups are also same, but the major difference is that thymol contain aromatic ring and menthol contain cyclohexane ring. So another point mentioned here is that aromatic compounds often display numerous bands in the fingerprint region than their aliphatic counterparts. Now take the infrared spectra of two stereoisomeric steroid, androsterone and epiandrosterone, are examined three strong bands in the functional group region around 3600 cm inverse due to OH, 2950 cm inverse due to CH, and 1740 cm inverse due to C double bond O stretching vibrations. A comparison of their spectra in the fingerprint region shows them to be entirely different. The only difference in their structures is the stereochemistry of the C3OH group. C3OH group is axial in the case of androsterone, whereas equatorial in the epiandrosterone. Thus, the pattern of the infrared spectrum in the fingerprint region is very sensitive and changes even with minor chemical or stereochemical alternations in a molecule. These are some references. Thank you for watching.